Let's talk about something they never expect: your happiness being real after they walked away. When a narcissistic person discards you, it's rarely random. Most of the time, they already have someone else lined up. And the goal isn't just to leave, it's to make you feel like you lost something valuable. They want you questioning yourself, replaying memories, wishing things could have been different. So they put on a show. They post more, smile harder, flaunt the new relationship. Everything is designed to send one message: look how happy I am without you. But here's the truth: what they're showing is carefully curated. It's not peace, it's performance. Now here's where everything shifts. What happens when your happiness isn't an act? At first, they expect you to be broken. They assume you're hurting, checking their page, comparing yourself, waiting for them to come back. That's the script in their mind. But when you don't follow that script, it unsettles them. They start watching you, quietly, obsessively. They scroll through your social media looking for cracks, any small sign that you're not really okay. A forced smile, a sad caption, something they can use to reassure themselves that you're still emotionally tied to them. Because if you're still hurting, they still have power. But when your happiness is genuine, something deeper happens. They feel it, not through your words, but through your energy, through your detachment, through the absence of emotional access. You're no longer reacting, no longer available, no longer reachable in the ways they once controlled. And that's when it hits them: they've lost control. That realization creates a kind of internal panic. Because the discard was supposed to weaken you, not free you. It was supposed to keep you emotionally dependent, not help you grow beyond them. So they start reassessing. They might keep their new situation on pause, emotionally or physically, while trying to circle back to you. Suddenly, the problems that cause a breakup become misunderstandings. They may reach out casually, testing the waters. Sometimes they'll even suggest staying friends, as if nothing ever happened. But that's not connection, it's strategy. Because your healing exposes something they can't face, that you didn't need them to become whole again. And here's something important: they can tell the difference between fake happiness and real peace. A smile can be forced, but energy can't be faked long-term. When you've truly let go, it shows in how you move, how you respond, and what you no longer tolerate. When they see that, they know there's no easy way back in. That's why they keep searching your life for signs of pain. Because your peace feels like rejection to them. Not just rejection of them, but rejection of the control they once had. So if you've reached that place where you're genuinely okay, where your happiness doesn't depend on their presence or absence, understand what that means. You've broken the cycle. And once that happens, everything changes. They may try to return. They may try to rewrite history. They may try to reconnect in subtle ways. But it won't feel the same to you anymore, because you're no longer the same person they left. And that's your power. Keep choosing yourself. Keep protecting your peace. Because your real happiness isn't just healing for you. It's the one thing they never planned for.